Hello, welcome back to class. Today's class is a full body dynamic sequence. There's no props needed, and this class is for all levels. So whenever you're ready to go, join me at the back of your mat in a kneeling position. Take a moment just to connect to the breath. Breathing in and out predominantly through the nose. Seeing if you can lengthen the inhales, lengthen the exhales. This allows us to gain some separation in our day and to fully arrive here on the mat. When you're ready, slowly open the eyes, place the hands in front of the knees, curl the toes under. We'll begin with a brief wrist warm-up. Let's rock forward and back. Internally rotate the hands, continue to rock forward and back. Externally rotate the hands so the fingers are pointed to the long edge of the mat. Shift left and right. Maybe you take some circles here, counterclockwise, clockwise. Flip the fingers so the fingers are pointed towards the knees, lean back. You can bend the arms to deepen the stretch here. Good, reset the hands forward into a tabletop position. Let's warm up the spine via some spinal segmentation. Inhale, drop the chest, head goes up. As you exhale, head goes down, round the spine. Again, inhale, drop the chest, head up. As you exhale, head goes down, round the spine up. Take a few more like this on your own. Feel free to move the spine in any way that feels good. Good, let's find a neutral spine here. Hips go up and back, downward facing dog. This is your first dog of the day. Feel free to pedal the feet out here. Maybe you shift left and right, whatever feels good. Now let's begin to find some stillness here. Reconnect to the breath if you've lost that connection already. Look to the front of the mat, step, walk, jump forward. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise to standing, hands touch overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest. Inhale, arms go up. Exhale, fold forward, round down. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise to stand, hands touch overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest. Inhale, hands go up. Exhale, round down, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. As you exhale, plant the hands, step both feet back, plank pose. Inhale to shift forward. Exhale, lower the knees, lower the chest. Inhale, chest comes up, arms slide forward, come up onto the elbows for Sphinx pose. Replant the hands beside the chest, curl the toes under, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, left leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward, step the left foot to the outside of the left hand, lizard lunge. Drop the back knee to the mat, slide the hands more forward, and allow the chest to drop down. Chest comes up, left leg extends long. Again, inhale to lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, half splits. Chest comes up, replant the left foot, heel toe the foot to the middle of the mat, frame the front foot with your hands, curl the back toes under, lift the back knee off the mat, begin to shift the weight forward until you pop up on the left foot. Right leg goes up and back, warrior three prep. Drop the right hip down slightly, the back leg is strong and straight. Lengthen crown of the head forward. Good. Step the right foot to the back of the mat. Inhale, both arms come up, crescent lunge. Back leg is bent or straight. Hips can tuck under. Keep a generous bend in the front knee. On your next inhale, left arm goes forward, right arm drops back. The back heel drops down, warrior two. Let's reverse our warrior. Left hand comes up and over the head. Right arm slides down the back leg. Breathe into the side body. On your next exhale, left elbow comes to the left knee. Right arm extends up and over the head, side angle. Inhale, Skandasana to the right. Bend the right leg, left leg is straight. Lower down as much as you can. Use your hands for support. Your heel can lift off the mat here. Or if you have great ankle mobility, maybe it stays flat. Good. Move back to the front of the mat. Frame the front foot. Step the left foot back to plank pose. Let's pause here. Push the ground away. Feel the weight on the inner edge of the hand. Curl the tailbone under. Engage the core. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower down. Chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Arms are bent. Legs are on the mat. Chest and gaze is forward. Curl the toes under, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, right leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward, step the right foot to the outside of the right hand, lizard lunge. Lower the back knee down, slide the hands more forward and allow the chest to drop towards the mat. Chest comes up, extend the right leg long, inhale to lengthen, exhale, fold forward, half splits. Replant the right foot, heel toe the foot to the middle of the mat, hands go down, curl the back toes under, lift the back knee off the mat, shift the weight forward until you pop up onto the right foot. Left leg goes up and back, warrior three prep. Drop the left hip down slightly and extend the crown of the head forward. Back leg is strong and straight. Good, drop the back leg to the back of the mat. Inhale, both arms come up, crescent lunge. Right arm comes forward, left arm goes back. Drop the left heel to the mat, warrior two. Equal weight through both feet. Tuck the tailbone under, gaze is forward. Let's reverse. Right arm comes up and over the head. Left hand slides down the back leg. On your next exhale, the right elbow comes to the right knee. Left arm goes up and over the head, side angle. Inhale, Skandasana to the left. Bend the left knee, right leg goes straight. Let's lower all the way down. Maybe you notice how this side feels different than the other. Good, move back to the front of the mat. Frame the front foot. Send the right foot back to meet the left, plank pose. Inhale to shift forward. Let's lower down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale to up dog. Knees are lifted. We're on the tops of the feet, pulling the chest and head forward. And as you exhale, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. Look to the front of the mat, walk, step, jump forward, have your feet hip width distance apart, send the hips down for Malasana. As you can probably tell, this is one of my favorite poses. So good for the knees and the low back. Good, set the hips down. Legs come up, arms extend in front of you, boat pose. Curl the tailbone under, broaden the chest. Set the feet down, set the hands down behind you, fingers pointed away. Begin to lower the back down, bending through the elbows until you feel a sensation in the wrists and the front of the shoulders. Good, come onto your back. Extend the legs up, grab for the outer edge of the feet. Happy baby. Maybe you rock here to massage out the lower back. Really move in any way that feels good. Good, now extend the legs long, hands by your side, roll the shoulder blades under for Savasana. Allow the breath to return to normal. Try to stay here for at least 2 minutes. This is where we absorb all the benefits of our practice. Thank you so much for being here, for sharing your time and your energy with me. And thank yourself for being here. I'm proud of you. Again, stay for as long as you need. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.